Hey guys, it's Friday, and you know what that means. It is time for another bold review. It is a Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today we are going to take a look at Seeping. This is the latest BMX movie. It is starring Chad Solano, the new girls on the block, Shannon Season, and Gina Dizon. Na hindi naman bago. We saw her in X. Actually. So, if you're ready for the review of Seeping, paki-like na lang po yung video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. Okay, before anything else, we will be doing like updates dito sa channel. We are going to be at the ITZY concert tomorrow. Okay, ITZY. All of us, we are ITZY. Okay, okay, so this is my first K-pop concert. So I'm excited. Mall of Asia Arena. And yeah, it's going to be a blast. Furthermore, we will be what else are we going to be doing? July 29, nakasecure ako ng reservation for Solid Gold sa Viva Cafe. That is starring Rob Ginto, Roxanne De Vera, Karen Lopez, and other BMX stars. Although, do you consider ko pa ba si Rob Ginto as Viva Max? Kasi di ba parang retired na siya or something? Oo. Siguro hindi na. Or Viva Star. Viva Star siguro. There's also BMX Hot Babes. Andun siya Tasca, pero hindi na siya nag-bold. Okay, let's go to the story of Seeping. So, Shannon Dizon is Aliyah. She is the girlfriend of Arnold. Si Arnold yung womanizer dito. He is played by, ang pangalan nun? John Mark, Mark, Marsha. Si Marsha yun, di ba? Si John Mark Marsha. Okay? And this is like the first time na nakita ko na villainous yung role ni John Mark Marsha. Like, for real. Or may nakakalimutan ako mga pelikula niya dati. Pero, yun, alam ko ito yung first time na nag-portray siya as a villain. Kasi, yung kanyang, meron ako nakakalimutan. It's been so long, guys. Come on, give me a break. Kasi yung mga dati niya roles sa Sipan, para siya yung yung inosenteng tanga eh. Okay? Inosenteng tanga siya eh. Alam mo yun, yung mahal. Oh, hindi tayo mahal. Mahal. Ano tayo mahal? Ganun si John Mark Marsha. Pero dito, kontrabida siya. Lagi niyang chinachancing si si, ah, ang pangalan nun? Si Season dito. Si Aliyah. Shannon Season. Eh, ang hirap ng pangalan niya. Now, furthermore, sa kwentong ito, makikilala natin si Chad Solano, si Dennis. At siya ay isang matipunong lalaki. Sobrang matipuno na parang na mahilig siya sa scandal. Okay? At yung scandal na yun ay involving sina Aliyah at si Mariel. Si Mariel, si China Dixon. Isa sa mga babae ni Arnold. So nagkataon nagkita si Dennis saka si Arnold sa isang lugar. I think bossing ata ni Dennis si Arnold kasi sa construction. Oo. And ang tingin na nakakarami tingin na nakakarami medyo yun nga womanizers itong si Marsha at ang lagkit ng tingin niya sa babae ni Arnold. Okay? Which is fine. Kung sakali. Kasi, ano eh. kung tutuusin is medyo ang tawag doon? Clingy si Arnold kung kay Aliyah. Okay, so ang ginawa, sinugal ni Arnold si Aliyah on his overconfidence and ayun, nanalo si Dennis. So meron siyang karapatan mag one night stand kasama si Aliyah. Nice. And probably for the best probably for the best of both worlds is for the best of interest si Aliyah hindi na bumalik kay Arnold. Ayun. And this is the whole part of the movie. Magkakatuluyan ba itong si Dennis saka si Aliyah? Which is nangyari nga, nagkatuluyan sila. Pero on the seductive side. Si Dennis natulog sa sofa, nakita ni Aliyah, pinaglaruan niya yung pusi niya. Tapos namboso itong si Dennis kay Aliyah. As pinaglaruan niya yung hotdog niya. Nagkalat pa siya, pas nakita pa ni Aliyah, ngumiti. Tapos si Arnold, imbes na alalang-alala, nasan yung girlfriend niya, di na umuwi. Kinanyog niya itong si Mariel, which is yung kaskandal ni Aliyah. And then, ayun, pag-desisyonan ni Arnold, ay, babae ko to si Aliyah, dapat babawi ko. Tapos, ayun, pinag-diskitan niya si Dennis. Bumalik si Aliyah, sinda naman ni Dennis, para iligtas. And then, ang climax, nagsugal silang dalawa, nanalo ulit si Dennis, and then, sa kanya na si Aliyah, and movie ends. Pretty simple, pretty flat yung ending, pretty parang bitin. Alam mo yun feeling na bitin yung ending. Parang di ko feel. And, I think that says a lot. Kumbaga, sa mga pangyayari dito sa pelikula na to. Okay, so what are we going to give this movie a rating? Well, in my humble opinion, let's go back to the Create of DMX tier list. Hold on a second. Shipping, no? Yan, OBS tayo. Ewan ko, nawala yung window capture dito eh. We're going to give Shipping maybe, bro, I just opened the app. It's not good. It's not great, but it's very satisfying. It's pretty mid movie, but below mid, below average. But it's not that weak. Maganda yun naman yung presentation. And I think this is one of Chad Solano's best performance in a while. 8 yung best performance niya. 8. Okay. So yeah, that's our review for this week. Tune in next week where we are going to review. Ano ba yung review natin next week? Lunok? Yeah, Lunok. July 17, Lunok. Okay, so yeah, this is Harriet. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and good night. Bye.